Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are counting down the top 5 best BPA-free food storage containers to help you keep your kitchen organized and your meals fresh. We have some great picks for you here on cool product. Let's get started.
At number 5, we have the Purlato BPA-free food storage containers. Keeping your kitchen organized and your food fresh has never been easier with these containers. Designed for modern households, they combine practicality with safety, ensuring your pantry stays neat while your ingredients remain protected. Made from BPA-free materials, they prioritize health by eliminating harmful chemicals that can leach into your food. The airtight pop-top design of the Purlato containers locks in freshness, keeping cereals, snacks, flour, sugar, and other dry goods crisp for longer. This secure seal not only preserves flavor and texture, but also prevents spills and contamination, making them ideal for everyday use. The container's stackable structure allows for efficient storage, maximizing pantry space and keeping items organized in a visually clean and accessible way. Versatility is another key feature, as the clear design makes it easy to see contents at a glance, helping you manage your kitchen inventory effortlessly. From breakfast cereals to baking essentials, these containers suit a wide range of ingredients and household needs. The pop-up lids are intuitive, providing quick access while maintaining the airtight protection that keeps food fresh longer. Whether you are a busy parent or a cooking enthusiast, these containers bring convenience and durability to your daily routine. Next up, at number 4, we have the Atmdog BPA-free food storage containers. This 24-piece set is designed to simplify pantry management while providing a safe, durable solution for storing a variety of ingredients. Made from BPA-free plastic, these containers ensure that your cereals, flour, sugar, and other pantry staples remain free from harmful chemicals, offering peace of mind for you and your family. Each container in the set is airtight, locking in freshness and preventing moisture, pests, and odors from affecting your food. The airtight lids make it easy to store both dry and bulk ingredients while keeping them ready for daily use. Along with the containers, the set includes 40 labels, allowing you to clearly mark each item and maintain a visually organized pantry. This labeling system adds both practicality and a touch of style to your kitchen, making it simple to find what you need at a glance. The Atmdog containers are versatile and stackable, helping you maximize your kitchen space efficiently. Their uniform design not only looks clean and modern on your shelves, but also makes them convenient to handle, pour from, and refill. Whether you are managing a large family pantry or simply want a tidier kitchen, this set provides a comprehensive solution for everyday food storage, helping your ingredients stay fresh longer and making meal prep a more streamlined experience. Taking the third spot is the Aedg BPA-free food storage containers. These containers offer a comprehensive solution for everyday kitchen storage needs. This complete 48-piece set includes a variety of container sizes, making it easy to store meals, snacks, fruits, and leftovers efficiently. Designed with a 100% leak-proof mechanism, each container features easy snap lids that lock securely, ensuring your food stays fresh while preventing spills. Crafted from premium food-grade plastic, these containers are BPA-free and safe for both microwave and freezer use. Their non-toxic and reusable design emphasizes sustainability while maintaining safety for you and your family. The stackable, space-saving construction allows for neat organization in your kitchen and refrigerator, minimizing clutter and maximizing available storage space. To simplify meal prep and organization, the set includes bonus writable labels and a marker. These allow you to clearly mark each container with its contents or date, helping you track meals and keep your kitchen orderly. With practicality and versatility at its core, these containers are designed to streamline daily meal management while providing long-lasting durability and convenience. This all-in-one set makes it easy to maintain a tidy, efficient, and safe kitchen storage system, combining thoughtful design with high-quality materials for everyday use. Coming in at number 2 is the Deli BPA-free food storage containers. These containers offer a practical and safe solution for keeping your food fresh and organized. Made from BPA-free, food-grade polypropylene, they ensure that your meals are stored without exposure to harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind in every use. The set includes 24 containers in a variety of sizes, making it easy to store everything from leftovers and snacks to fruits, vegetables, and prepped meals. Each container features a leak-proof lid that keeps contents secure and prevents spills, while the stackable design helps save valuable kitchen space, creating a neat and organized storage system. The versatility of these containers extends to both the microwave and freezer, allowing you to heat or freeze your food safely without transferring it to another dish. This convenience makes them ideal for busy lifestyles, meal prepping, or storing bulk purchases. In addition to storage, the containers support portion control and meal planning, helping you maintain a balanced diet and manage serving sizes efficiently. Their durable construction ensures long-lasting use, making them a reliable choice for everyday kitchen organization. Whether you are preparing meals in advance or packing lunches, these containers provide a convenient and practical way to keep your kitchen orderly and your food fresh. And finally, our top pick, the Calibre BPA-free food storage containers. These containers offer a versatile solution for organized and safe food storage. The set includes 12 lunchboxes of varying capacities, accommodating both individual portions and family-sized meals. Their stackable design maximizes refrigerator and cabinet space, allowing ingredients to be neatly classified and stored. Engineered with professional leak-proof technology, these containers prevent spills from soups and sauces, ensuring mess-free transportation. This feature makes them ideal for taking meals to work, school, or outdoor activities without concern for leaks. Designed for everyday convenience, the containers are compatible with microwaves, dishwashers, and refrigerators. Made from heat-resistant and chemically stable borosilicate glass, they release no harmful substances during heating or cleaning. The transparent structure allows for easy identification of stored ingredients, simplifying meal planning and management. Constructed from high-quality, durable materials, these containers withstand heat and resist corrosion, maintaining reliable performance over long-term use. By providing a safe, practical, and hygienic option for food storage and heating, Calibre containers support efficient kitchen organization and scientific diet management, making them the premier choice for your home. That wraps up our list of the best storage solutions for your kitchen. Check the price link in the description for more information on each of these products. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to Cool Product for more reviews and top picks.